So today I'll show you our latest reporting experience that puts your projects at the center of Ignite. Previously, you had to piece together data from different product reports, but now with our project-centric experience, it's all rolled up into one place. So once you're logged in, go to Listings and Campaigns, select Sales, then in the drop-downs, ensure you have Developments selected and Projects. So here we can see your project list with key metrics right up front: views, leads, cost per lead from the last 90 days. Let's click into this project. So here we are on the project dashboard, and as you can see, it has all advertising products for this project laid out together. You've got lots of ways to slice and view the data. You can choose daily, weekly, or monthly views. You can select different date ranges with these presets or custom calendar, and you can toggle between views and leads to decide what shows in the graph. Looking at this section here, the graph shows trends. The table shows you the aggregated metrics per product, and then the snapshots on the right show totals across all products selected. These three components are all connected. You can select and deselect products using these checkboxes in the table, and that updates the numbers across all three parts in real time. Each product in the table has a 3-dot menu, and I want to highlight that you can preview what Amplify would look like on our site, whether you're currently running it or not, by clicking here. Let me use that to talk specifically about Amplify, because there's a really important point here about how to understand the full value of this product. In the table, you see Amplify's shows post-click attribution. That's people who clicked the Amplify ad first. We count that click as a project profile page view attributed to Amplify. And then, if they inquire, we count that as a project profile lead attributed to Amplify. But this table data is not representing the full value delivered when project profile and Amplify run together. The magic really lies in what we call the halo effect. When Amplify is running, the overall performance of your project profile increases substantially, and this increase goes way beyond just the last click results you see in the Amplify table row. Look at the graph and this halo effect snapshot in the top right. This shows you the true combined impact. In this example, you can see a specific uplift in views and a specific uplift in leads versus the project profile's prior 90-day average. It's tempting to focus solely on the last click numbers in the table, but we really want to encourage you to consider the whole picture through this halo metric. This is where the true value of Amplify lies. Beneath this is our suburb spotlight. This shows you where your buyers are looking beyond your project's location. It's a really powerful insight that looks at the suburb interest profiles of every individual that has inquired on your project, and then it aggregates all that rich data up into this one insight that is really useful for targeting decisions with our add-on products. And that's it. You now know how to get the most from project-centric reporting in Ignite.